Alrighty guys, finally. So I was working at fixing up some roof joists and shit like that on the cattle shelters barn area, and I did see this girl starting to calve. CP was with me and Tristan popped out for a quick visit. Actually, he's still here. He's in the house visiting with his mother. And I saw this girl. There was one foot just kind of poking out of her backside. And I figured, no, I'm going to leave you alone. If it was really cold, I would have had her in the barn and probably would have been here quite a while ago and pulled it out. But being that it's warm, I don't mind being here to leaving them go a little longer. It's not a monster of a calf, but she... So that was 10 after 1. We went to the house for a coffee. And now it's 20 after 2. 25 after 2. And there it is. I don't mind leaving them to really bear down and push and go to work on their own. Oh, did you guys catch what is it? Because I didn't. I missed it. But she's a good mom, licking it all off nice and clean. And there's the cow with that lost her baby and has another calf on her. Mothered right up to that calf. And that's the one, the other heifer right there. And that's her red calf. That's a heifer. I would prefer to see them calve on their own versus assistance from us. So she's still pretty big. There's always a possibility that there could be a number 2 in there. We'll give her some time and then we'll see what happens here. She's still bellied up pretty good. Hey 102J. Anywho, this is the last heifer of ours to calve finally. So I'll let you guys go. I'm gonna go check on a cow in that other corral over there and see what the hell she's got going on. We'll talk to you guys later. Alrighty, so a little breezy out here. Hope you guys can hear me okay. The cow that I was kind of concerned about when I was at the house, she was just the way she was laying down in the windbreak corral. I thought, something's up there, but nah, she was just stretched right out enjoying. But this one here, I think she just dropped a calf. I gotta get in here closer and find out. Oh no, she calved a few days ago. That's 57. There we go. Her little girl. So yeah, she's okay. Most of the cows that have not calved are actually in the windbreak corral right now. They're almost like it's almost as if they self-sorted themselves. All of the babies pretty much are out here laying down in the open, and all of the cows that need to calve except for, oh, I think that's 8. Nope, that's 15 over there, I think. Orange 15. She hasn't calved yet. That one right there. But pretty much all of the cows that we're waiting on to calve yet are in here, all at that end right there, up by the calf shelter. That one that's laying down, the black one, the black one, the black one, this red one, the red one, the red one, the black one, and the black one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, they all need to calve yet. Anyways, time to go back on the roof. Talk to y'all later. Alrighty guys, how's it all going today? Monday, May 8th. It's been a feeding day all morning. Everything got filled up with feed. It was a chase the goddamn pigs around because those little bastards got out. They rooted a hole under the steel panels and they were running all over the yard. I was run over to the neighbors with Little Blue and dropped the tractor off. And now it's get this thing pulled up to the shop so that we can do some work on it. Cut a U-ball here. So I think I had mentioned before that we're gonna have to get this thing pulled up and do there's a bearing that's shot in the one gang. So that's what we're going to attempt to do here. We're going to attempt to get the gang pulled out. Attempt to get the gang pulled out and get the bearings replaced. So I'll let you guys go and we'll bring you all back later. Go ahead, touch that wire again, you little bastard. Teach you fuckers to fucking dig and root and push on the fence. Brand new fencer, good for 30 miles.
I don't want bacon yet.
That fucker right there with his head down, he got hammered 2 times already. Once right here in front of us. I think that was that one, right?
Yeah.
Or is it the one inside?
No.
That's where they got out. They rooted so much over there, they got underneath.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Don't touch the fence. That's all it means. Don't touch the fence. Okay guys, I'm gonna go back to work at trying to get that thing tore apart, which is not being very nice. Oh yeah, come here, look. Oh, and now coax him over to get hammered again. Yeah, it's like fuck you is right. So anyway, I'll let y'all go. Talk to you later. Well, we got it out. hooked tractor up to the one box, lifted the box completely up so we could roll it out. So this one's shot. If you can't see that, there it is. And I don't know about this one, but we'll have to check the seals really good. See that piece of blue? Well, that'd be fucking twine, and twine is terrible for bearings. Knocked the pin right there, 2 pieces. Was a roll pin of some sort, or cotter pin, I mean. Well, I don't think we'll be using that one again. Got it out of the crown nut, and we got it to move. See the hole?
Okay, let's see you in action.
And see it in action.
Yeah, come on.
With a 3.5.
And then I'm going to have lunch. It's like 4 o'clock.
3.5 foot long fucking snipe pipe here.
Come on. No hurting yourself.
All 295 pounds of fat ass on here.
Oh my God.
Ollie, yeah.
Oh boy.
Now we're into the fucking part of the thread that's fucked up from hitting rocks.
Oh my God.
It is getting easier.
You done yet?
He's gonna be a grunt and a groan all the way through. Oh shit.
Getting tougher again?
I think we need to spray her down and let her sit for a bit.
That's what I said the first time.
Okay, we'll use the magic stuff. This is the magic stuff. Fluid film. Ugh. Shake her up. You gotta shake the can.
Give it some lube.
Give her some lube. That's what she said.
Okay, we'll come back.
We'll see you guys later. Say what?
It was really stiff.
It's really stiff? Well, the new one is really stiff. Don't. There it is. Big long shaft. That's what she said. All the Packer wheels. You wish. All the Packers, spacers, blah, blah, blah. I phoned to see about that nut. Here, can you hold that for me, please?
I'll hold your tool.
You gonna hold my tool? Because the nut is royally fahoored. See that? She all peeled out. So it's boogered. But believe it or not, I can get a new one. I just got to get a measurement. Bolt Supply, Regina. They say they've got them in stock up to 1.5 inches, and I'm thinking that's what that could be. I'll have to caliper it. You go, girl. Get her done. Come on. Work that tool. Work it, baby. Work it. Oh, yeah.
Don't quit your day job.
Now, there's a left side and a right side to those, so don't fuck them up. Make sure you get them right. I ain't joking.
Turn that phone off.
You're gonna slap me. It's he smudged up the camera. No,
Here,
actually,
I'll lick it.
yeah, we know that. The big long shaft.
Like I said, you wish.
Actually, no, there is not a left and a right. It's just a flange bearing holder. So you could put them on either way because it's not greasable, it's steel bearing. Anywho, we'll get this bearing that I've had for how long? When did we buy that other unit? 2019-ish?
Was it that long ago?
Yeah, it was before YouTube started. So this was a new one that the guy had on his shelf and never did use it.
Did you try it on the shaft?
Yes. And he never used it. And so, yeah, luckily we have that. Anywho, I'll let you guys go. We'll bring you back after. Alrighty, guys. So I know I haven't been videoing this very well for you, but if anybody out there has a Packer gang that they blew the bearing on, when you are going to put it back together, that bottom one, you see it's dished. This is the flat edge on the bottom side. That faces your outside Packer. The next two after that are opposite. So you can see this one, the dished part faces the dished part because that's the outside edge. And the end one is the same way. I got one wheel left to put on. I'm gonna get CP in the Bobcat because I want to lay this thing down on the floor, and when it's fully assembled, it's friggin' heavy. So I don't want it to crash and somebody get hurt. So I'm gonna tip it over into the bucket as she's got the bucket up in the air, and then she could lay it down a little more gentler with the bucket of the Bobcat. I'll bring you back here in a couple minutes. Okay, guys. Well, that's kind of an ordeal. These things are friggin' heavy, let me tell you. Like, when you set this sucker in the dirt, I can friggin', for any of you new guys, and I've said it before, I know that for a fact, I could take this machine and it'll sink right into the driveway, the grid road out there. That's how heavy these are. Anyway, we got her back in place. I still have a couple of, it's just these U-bolts that hold that sumbitch in place, believe it or not. But we got it back in place. I gotta put a couple U-bolts right there. I got the ones on the end in place. We're actually, might have to get CP to lift this cocksucker up again. We gotta shift this over just a little bit. It's not 100% lined up, but that's not the end of the world, because we still got time to play with it some more. So I just got to shift it over maybe about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. That sprocket's not in line with that sucker right there. And these are basically your feed rate. You set your cup size where you want it, and then for how fast it meters is all done off of the Packer wheels. So it's like a ground drive, and this is the spring-loaded tightener for that chain. So if he's not in line, and I did not take him off from the Packer, so if this is not in line with that, then the chain is not going to be in line from the main sprocket down there. So we got to shift him. The whole thing has to get shifted over just a little bit. Actually, that thing right there is not straight. So, because the Packer itself, the Packer wheel, when I eyeball it, it looks like it's lined up pretty goddamn good with the openers. So I think it's just the bracket here that shifted over a little bit one way or the other. Anyway, it's not the end of the world. For now, I'm going to leave this alone, because tomorrow we're on the road. I got to get my truck hooked to a trailer. I got to get it fueled up. I got some things I got to get done here tonight to get ready for tomorrow. So I'm going to let y'all guys all go. Whether I got enough to make a video for y'all or not, I don't know. I'll find out tonight when I sit down to relax and edit this sucker. If I don't got enough, then you'll see what's happening tomorrow in this video. If I do got enough, whatever goes on tomorrow is another video. But it is Monday, I believe May the 8th. And it's like 7:30 in the evening. We still got some choring to do. So I'm going to let y'all go. Give us the old thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share the videos, and get your friends, family, neighbors. Get those guys all on board here. So talk to y'all later.